Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little bit cray. That is okay, because in today's video we're going to be doing a get ready with me hair and makeup. So then I will look fly after this hot mess of a hair. And if you guys haven't already, please like this video, subscribe, and turn your notifications on so that way you guys know the next time I upload a new video. I try to upload videos twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, sometimes on Fridays or sometimes Saturdays, but I try to upload twice a week. If you guys want to get ready with me, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm just starting off with my Starbucks and a little bit thirsty. Then we're going to go in with a hard candy concealer to conceal my eyes so I can get in prep for a little bit of eyeshadow. And then I'm like to go in with the primer. This is from Hard Candy. I like to let the primer sit on my face first before I start in with my eyes. Then we're going with an e.l.f. Mint Melt eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using that dark, not that dark one, but it's like that warm mustard color, and just blending it in my crease until I get my desired look. And then I'm going to take that shimmer color in that palette and with the Wet n Wild brush and just put it on my eyelid. And then I'm just taking my Skittle gel liner to water my eyes and getting ready for eyelashes. Well, I'm going a little bit fast. That mascara you seen was my favorite mascara, so I just applied that and applied my lashes. And then I'm going in again with the Hard Candy concealer. And now with my Nars foundation to apply it. It looks a little bit light, but it does oxidize, so it goes really well with my skin tone. Then I'm going in with the Kokie Cosmetics powder foundation and bronzer from Kokie Cosmetics. And I just applied the powder foundation all over my face, and then I applied the bronzer. Now I'm getting the Laura Mercier Honey translucent powder to set under my eyes. Then I'm going to take this Sleek Makeup highlight palette and just use that shade there to highlight my face. Look at that highlight, you guys. It's so pretty. I'm not sure if they sell anymore. I'll try to find it and link it down below, but it's just so pretty. Then I'm taking this e.l.f. Putty blush and Turks and Caicos, I think it is, and just blend it all over. And then I'm taking my Huda Beauty lip liner and Flirt and NYX Cosmetics liquid lipstick, I think it is, and London. I didn't like the combo, so I added something else. Then now I'm going in with my hair. I'm using this Heritage heat protectant spray. This is new, you guys, and it smells so delicious. You guys definitely should try it out. Then I'm just taking my Irresistible Me extensions in jet black in 24 inches, and then I'm just gonna be parting my hair. And I'm singing a little bit here, but that's just the biggest weft that they have, so I'm gonna apply that in like the middle of my head. That way I have like more volume and just have a little bit longer hair. And then I'm just splitting it a little bit more up so I can apply the shorter weft. That way, you know, like I said, I want to have a little bit more volume, have like sexy hair. Now I'm just taking my Numi wand. This wand is so old, you guys. I'll find the barrel. I don't know what size it is, but it's so old. I'm using that to curl my hair. I really like this wand to curl my hair because this is the only curling iron wand thing that keeps my curls in my hair with any other curling iron that I've tried. So I really like it. So that's what I'm doing. So it's going to do the same thing and repeat the process throughout my whole head. Then I'm just taking my Kenner hairspray. I decided to do a half up, half down hairstyle look to make it look kind of sexy. Here's the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed getting ready with me, and I will see you guys on the next one.